Good morning, guys. Welcome back to school. It is September. Let's spell September. 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 3 syllables. The reason I clap is remember now we're working on syllables to see how many syllables in each word. So, what is today? Drum roll. Boop, 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 boop. 1 and a 6. Make your line and then make your circle. Nah, that don't look right. Let's see what it said. And try it again. Did everyone stay safe with the hurricane? I hope no one had any problems. My electricity went off for a little while. 6. Okay, the year is 2020. The number 6 is a what, guys? Even. Let's go to the next slide. What is the weather? Is it stormy by you? Is it stormy? No. Is it sunny? No. Is it foggy? No. Is it windy? Some places people are still getting the wind from the Hurricane Sally that we had. But here at school it is partly sunny. You see the sun just a little. Let me move the camera. What is that season? Is it fall? Not quite yet, but guess what, guys? It's coming this month. I can't wait for us to go and look at our neighborhoods and pick up the different leaves and show the different colors of the leaves for fall. It's almost here. Yes, it's almost here. Is it winter? No, Miss B, it's not winter. What about spring? No, not yet. Is it summer? Yes, it's still summer. Let's go to the next slide. What is the temperature? Is it cold? Is it cold by you? If you're inside, the air conditioner running is cold. And guess what? It's be hot. So it's not cold. Is it cool? Feel like it's taking a while for that air conditioner, but outside, some places feel a little cool because of the wind that we having from Hurricane Sally. So, is it warm? A lot of places it's warm. Or is it hot? I'm going to circle warm because it's be sweating. I don't know about y'all. Clothes. What will we wear? We all going to wear shirts, right? Great job. Circle your shirt. What about jacket? No, Miss B. No jacket. Sweater? Not yet. Shorts? I bet y'all have on shorts. Miss B, wish she could wear shorts to work, but I can't. But you can. What about pants? Yes. Miss B have on pants. So let's go to the next slide. What was yesterday? What was yesterday? Was yesterday Sunday? No, ma'am. Was yesterday Monday? Was yesterday Tuesday? Was it? Yesterday was Tuesday. And we got to not have school because of Hurricane Sally. Let's hope everybody who got the hurricane hit them that they're fine, right? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Today, what is today, guys? Wednesday. Let me see you do. Wednesday. Good job, Wednesday. And what is tomorrow? I know y'all know. Tell me what's tomorrow. I can't hear y'all. Go louder. What's tomorrow? Yes, Thursday. Okay, let's go to the next slide. How many days Have kindergarten been in school? 20. 20 days. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 days. How many days have first through fourth grade been in school? 24. Miss B thinks she off. I'm about to go get the calendar and check on that, but that's the number we got right. Can y'all check y'all calendar? Send me an email if I'm wrong, okay? I need y'all help. You know I can't make it without y'all. You know y'all gotta teach Miss B too. We're a team. We all help each other. And was 16 an even number or odd number? What was it? It was even. Great job, guys. You can trace it, or you can circle it. Let's go to our 10, basic 10s. Guess what, guys? We need 1 hour 10s. Do we need another 10 yet? No, Miss B. We need some our ones, right? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the 16. This is how you write 16, remember? 3 more ones, and then we're going to have another set of 10s, okay? So, send pictures of it. Can't wait. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all day off. We'll send some more videos. We're going to do Tuesday work since we missed Tuesday, okay, guys? Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.